After working with so many clients, I realized that there is a clear distinction between someone who gets what they want and those who don't. The difference is in the victim versus creator mindset. I see that it's really difficult for those in the victim mindset to heal, and I would almost say it never happens or it takes a long time because those in the victim mindset do not take responsibility for their life, their actions, and their emotions. They keep outsourcing their validation. They always give in to their current reality and they don't have power, essentially, over their own life and their emotions. A creator, on the other hand, is completely different. They take full radical responsibility for where they are and they know that they are the creators of their reality. So instead of complaining, they just create. Instead of blaming other people, they take full responsibility for where they are in life, no matter how much pain, suffering, anger that they've been through, and they know how to make something out of it. Joe Dispenza has a really great meditation called The Alchemist, and it's a very similar energy to that because creator energy knows that reality is flexible. The reality they're living in is a result of their thoughts, feelings, actions. So they're not afraid of losing anyone or losing anything because they know they can create everything simply by aligning their thoughts, feelings, and energy. And I'm not going to sit here and say that this process is overnight or that it's just a few days because the truth is, it's not. Moving from victim to creator energy takes a lot of willingness. It takes a burning desire to change. And it takes you being in rock bottom and never wanting to experience that again. It takes you being so sick of your own negative self-talk to finally say, I'm done. Nobody has this much power over me. Nothing deserves my energy this much, especially if it makes me feel sad, negative, or down. Like I deserve better. From that space, usually creators are born. They would have to be so aware of the patterns of their old self and old life to fully get out of it. And this is what happens when you choose a new story and a new version of yourself again and again and again and again. And it happens by not giving into your current reality and your current circumstances. The biggest thing creators do is they don't complain. Victims complain all day long. They just keep repeating the old sad story that keeps them stuck because they haven't yet learned to stop being addicted to those stories and those emotions. Their bodies are stuck in fight or flight, and it's so addicted to the feelings of suffering and pain and sadness and anger. So until you choose to stop being addicted to those feelings and be addicted to different emotions, you will always go back to your victim mindset. If you want to learn how to break out of these limiting patterns or to stop being addicted to the victim mindset and emotions, you can watch the coaching call inside the Become Magnetic membership. January is all about moving from victim to creator energy. Link at the top of my page. I'll see you in there.